Hi children, good morning. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to learn vehicles. You know the vehicles? You have in your home vehicles. Which vehicle you have? Bike, car, auto. Which vehicle you have? Okay, once you revise. Okay, now I will say to you vehicles. See, some vehicles moving on the road, some vehicles move on the water, some vehicles fly in the air. Okay, see first which vehicles moving on the road. See, we can use vehicles to go from place to another place. Why we use the vehicles, ma? We are go one place to another place. One place to another place. See first bicycle. You know the bicycle? Okay, look at me. Bicycles are usually used for only for short distance. Some distance, 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers are there means we go on the bicycle. More far from us, 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers there means we move on, we are go on the motorbike. Okay, motorbike, auto, bus, car we are using. Okay, see first bicycle. Bicycle are usually used only for short distance. A motorcycle can go faster than a bicycle. Motorcycle go faster than a bicycle. Next, some people use auto rickshaws to travel within a city. Some members travel in autos. See, trucks. Trucks are used to carry goods from one place to another place. Trucks are goods. It brings things. Food. We eating the food, bread packets and pulses. We are goods from place to another place to they travel. Next, people often use buses to travel within a city or another cities. Within city or another cities. Some people use their own cars to travel. A large number of people can travel in a train. Trains are used to for short as well as long trips. In the train, travel more members, thousand of members. On bicycle, 1 member. On motorcycle, 2 or 3 members. In auto, 4 or 5 members. And bus, 50 or 100 members. In car, 4 or 5 members. But in the train, 1000 members. 1000 members at a time travel in the train. Next, which vehicles? It's move on the water. See, vehicles that move on the water. Which vehicles move on the water? Boat and ship. See, people use boats to travel short distance on water. Boat, we are using short distance on water. And ships can be used. They sail on seas and oceans and can be used to reach places that are from that far away. It's move on oceans and seas. It is small short distance. We are moving the short distance. Okay, vehicles that fly in the air. Which vehicles fly in the air? Helicopter fly in the air. They are small and can be used to carry only few people at a time. In the helicopter we move only 4 or 5 members. But in the aeroplane move 1000 of members. Look at me all of you. Aeroplanes can be quite big and many people can travel in them. They are very fast. Aeroplanes are very fast. See, which vehicles move on the land? Bicycle, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, lorry, trucks, buses, cars and train. See here, bicycles are usually used for only for short distance. A motorcycle can go faster than a bicycle. Some people use auto rickshaw to travel within a city. Trucks are used to carry goods from one place to another place. People often use buses to travel within a city or to other cities. Some people use their own cars to travel. A large number of people can travel in a train. Trains are used for short distance as well as long trips. People use boats to travel short distance on water. Ships can be used, they sail on seas and oceans and can be used to reach places that are far away. Helicopters fly in the air. They are small and can be used to carry only few people at a time. Aeroplanes can be quite big and many people can travel in them. They are very fast. Aeroplanes moving very fast. Okay, now we are practice on the slate. But vehicles name. See, which vehicles move on the road? See, on the land, moving on the land. BICYCLES, bicycles. BICYCLES, bicycles. Next, motorcycle. MOTORCYCLE, motorcycle. Motorcycle. Next, trucks. TRUCKS, trucks. Trucks. Next, buses. Auto rickshaw. AUTORICKSAWS, auto rickshaws. BUS, bus. CAR, car. TRAIN, train. Next, boat. BOAT, boat. SHIP, ship. Next, helicopter. HELICOPTER, helicopter. Next, aeroplane. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Children, you should practice on the slate these spellings, which moving on the land, which moving on the water, which are moving in the air. Some vehicles moving on the land, some are moving on the water, some are moving in the air. Okay, see one more time, I will say the spellings. BICYCLES, bicycles. MOTORCYCLE, motorcycle. TRUCKS, trucks. AUTORICKSHAWS, auto rickshaw. BUS, bus. CAR, car. TRAIN, train. BOAT, boat. SHIP, ship. HELICOPTER, helicopter. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. See one more time. BICYCLES, bicycles. MOTORCYCLE, motorcycle. TRUCKS, trucks. AUTORICKSHAWS, RICKSHAW. Auto rickshaw. BUS bus. CAR car. TRAIN train. BOAT boat. SHIP ship. HELICOPTER helicopter. AEROPLANE aeroplane. Vehicles. What are these, ma? Vehicles. See. VEHICLES. Vehicles. These are vehicles. You should write on the slate. These are all spellings 5 times. Okay, children. Okay, what is the morning food, ma? Breakfast. What? Afternoon, lunch. At night, dinner. Okay, what are the food items? Rice, chapatis, pulses, milk, curd, bread, vegetables and fruits. Okay, if it is important to eat your meals regularly, you should also eat variety of food items. Okay. Okay, practice these food items and vehicles names. Okay, children, now we discuss about today homework. See, look at me. This is your worksheet book. See, look at me. Below each vehicle, write its name as the following. Bicycle. BICYCLES. Bicycles. Truck. TRUCKS. Trucks. Aeroplane. AEROPLANE. Aeroplanes. Train. 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 Write these all spellings. And flies in the air. Which vehicles fly in the air? Aeroplane. Motorcycle used for short distance. Mostly used for short distance. Sorry, ma. Mostly used for short distance. Which vehicles we use short distance? Bicycle. Match from here to here. Many people can travel. Which vehicle many people travel? Train. Match here. Used to carry goods from one place to another place. Truck. Match here. Okay, this is your homework. You should complete. Next, this one, food. RICE rice, MILK milk, CURD curd, BREAD bread, JAM jam, WHEAT wheat, PULSES pulses, BUTTER butter, SALAD salad, FRESH fresh. Okay, trace here. Write down. This is your homework. One more review activities book, page number 55. See here. Boat. Where is the boat? Here it is. Match. Match the vehicle with its name. MOTORCYCLE. Motorcycle. Where is the motorcycle? Here it is. Match. HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Where it is? Here it is. Match. TRUCK. Truck. Where it is? Here. Match here. Okay, this is your homework. Should complete your homework now. Okay, children, you practice this vehicle's name on the slate 5 times. Each vehicle name 5 times. Okay. And you should learn spellings also. Okay, children, bye. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.